I designed a gauge cluster blank that fits in and bolts into the dash here. And then I traced and scaled the Haltech drawing of the IC7 dash to create a gauge cluster that fits so perfectly. And we're gonna have the keypad somewhere over here. This is the first piece I made. This was printed in, I think, like copper PLA on a Bamboo X1. And it fit right into that spot. Next, this was that same piece with switches. Came to realize that the headlight switches don't fit. But again, this thing fit perfectly right in there. Next piece, this big end right here. This is printed on a Mark Forged X3 printer. This didn't come out right. The holes kind of line up. It's a bad layout. Then we went to a whole different design. This was printed again on the Bamboo. It doesn't fit at all. Well, a friend at work, Ben, gave me the idea to do a two-piece construction. Came out absolutely amazing. We know that the angle is right. We can start redesigning from there. Came up with this guy, which is the first base plate. It failed while printing, but still fits perfectly. Now, move on to present day. Made these little support parts, which were printed on a Formlabs printer to brace against the downward parts of the roll bar here. This is kind of where we're at. I was going to glue the little support bars in, reinforce it with some plastic JB weld, and then print the switch plate. So even if we don't like the switch plate or how everything is oriented, we can redo it as much as we want.